Add your logo. Next, create a stroke layer. Next, create your text layer. And arrange it. Next, add trim paths to the stroke layer. And set keyframes to the end property. Next, change the keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. And change the keyframes graph. Next, for masking, add shape layers above the required layer. And drag it above the required layer. And set alpha matte to the required layers. Next, add position keyframes to the animation layers. And change the keyframe assistant and its graph.